Hello everybody. In this lecture we'll learn about a very important topic which is future of telepathy, AI or brain interfaces. Let's imagine something together. You think of a word and it appears on a screen instantly. No typing, no speaking, just thought to output. Now pause for a moment. That might sound futuristic, but parts of this are already being explored. What is happening today? Technology is beginning to interact with the brain in new ways. Researchers are working on brain computer interfaces, systems that detect neural signals, devices that translate brain activity into actions. For example, moving a cursor using thought, typing simple words through brain signals, assisting people with paralysis to communicate. This is not telepathy, but it's a step towards direct brain interaction. Now add artificial intelligence into this. AI can recognize patterns in brain signals, interpret intent more accurately, learn from repeated inputs. So, over time, the gap between thinking and communicating becomes smaller. Could this become telepathy? Let's stay grounded. This is not natural mind to mind communication, but technology could enable something similar, sending signals from one brain to another via devices, sharing simple information without speaking, and faster, more direct communication system. So instead of asking, will telepathy exist? A better question is, how will communication evolve? Next is the human side still matters. Even with advanced technology, something remains essential: emotional understanding, awareness, human connection. No device can replace trust, empathy, presence. So the skills you are learning in this course will always be relevant. Your role in this future. You don't need advanced technology to begin. You already have a powerful brain, the ability to focus, the ability to understand others. Technology may enhance communication, but awareness is what makes it meaningful. We need to have a balanced perspective. It's easy to get carried away with futuristic ideas, but stay balanced. Stay curious about innovation, stay grounded in reality. Because real growth comes from understanding what is happening now while being open to what may come. Ask yourself, communication become faster and more direct. Would I still be present? Would I still listen? Would I still understand deeply? Just notice your answer. The future of communication may change, but the essence of connection remains the same. It's not just about sending information, it's about understanding each other. And that begins with awareness. You have now completed this journey. Take a moment to reflect on what you have learned, what you have experienced, how your awareness has changed, and remember, this is not the end. It's just the beginning of a deeper understanding. I'm really glad you took this journey, and I'll see you in your continued practice. Thank you.